I'm Pamela Moreira, and welcome to the Money Channel. I am here today to tell y'all about my giveaway. I'm going to give away a website that would allow you to have 4 streams of income. It is called the Multiple Income Stream System Downline Builder. I'm very excited about it. It was made for HealthyNuLiving affiliates. You have to be a HealthyNuLiving affiliate in order to use the website. And it was created by one of our top affiliates, Alonzo Brown. He also created Team New Living, which is our social media website that is for HealthyNuLiving affiliates. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let me make myself smaller here. Let's see, bear with me. Here we go. Put me way up here in the top. There we go. That's better. Now, this is the website. It looks like this. You can earn instant pay and 4 income streams and promote one link, the link to this website. Like I was saying, you have to be a HealthyNuLiving affiliate in order to use this website. With HealthyNuLiving, you can earn instant commissions and daily residuals with daily pay while you're building 2 other home businesses that you choose. So, your first home business that you would be promoting is HealthyNuLiving. And you can click here to sign up and upgrade. This is a sample website. Your name would go here as an independent affiliate, and then your email address would go right here. Okay? This is your daily income stream, which is HealthyNuLiving. You put your link in here. So when anybody clicks here or here, you can they'll be sent to your HealthyNuLiving website to register and upgrade. So 3 steps to earning 4 income streams at once is watch the MISS, which is Multiple Income Stream System, video, then join HealthyNuLiving for free. Log into your HealthyNuLiving back office and upgrade. And right now, it only costs a low $30 startup cost to upgrade in HealthyNuLiving. As of June 1st, that cost will go up to $39.95, but it does include a coupon for a product of your choice. So after you upgrade, you can then set up your MISS site and then share your link. And when you do that, you can put in 2 income streams of your choice and the Leads Leap income stream. And the reason you'll have Leads Leap is because that is a platform that this page is built on. So you have to be an upgraded affiliate in HealthyNuLiving in order to use this page in Leads Leap. When you join Leads Leap, it is free. You can upgrade, and you also will get referrals. And when you get referrals to Leads Leap and they upgrade, you earn a commission. So you've got the HealthyNuLiving home-based business, your 2 other home-based businesses that you can promote. I myself am going to be promoting Savings Highway Global. They offer discounts on, I want to say, thousands of products, insurance, debt consolidation. or traveling, shopping. They have discounts on so many things. I mean, you can save like $10,000 a year depending on the things that you already buy that you could get through Savings Highway Global and save money. So that's an awesome, and that's a 3x10 matrix that you can earn residual income with Savings Highway Global. So if you choose, you could, if you go through me and sign up for Healthy New Living, and then you can come back and click on my second income stream. You can sign up for Savings Highway Global and get another income stream coming in there. And your third income stream can be anything else that you want. So yeah, and then there's the Leads Leap as the fourth income stream. I can't think of a better way to promote 4 businesses at one time. 4 legitimate businesses all at once with one link. And it's really a no-brainer. You sign up for Healthy New Living. There's 10 reasons to do that, and you can earn both daily and residual income. You can build real wealth from your home. You can achieve time and financial freedom. You get the free Miss Downline Builder website, just like this one. You can build your list. You can build your downlines. Your commissions from H&L, Healthy New Living, are paid daily onto a Pay Quicker Visa debit card, or you can transfer the funds into your existing bank account. You can improve your health and well-being by using the products. You can make a difference in people's lives, and you can earn income from 100 plus countries because Healthy New Living is available right now in 119 countries, and we're looking to add more. So pretty much wherever Pay Quicker is accepted, we are working in those countries. And I must make the disclaimer here that we make no promises nor claims that your amount of income earning with Healthy New Living are no guarantees of health or income. All results vary, and we do not make any income claims regarding second, third, and fourth income streams. This is not a Healthy New Living official site. This is a website of a Healthy New Living independent affiliate. And a Healthy New Living corporate is not responsible for the content nor the representations made on this site. You can refer any questions to the independent affiliate. Healthy New Living does not endorse nor is affiliated with any program on this site. Healthy New Living products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases, and these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Okay? And if you need support for the multiple income stream system, you can email this address right here. And this email address and the information up here for Healthy New Living are the only 2 things that you cannot change on the website. Otherwise, you can change everything you want, although it's not advised, because this website has been thoroughly tested, split tested for consistency, conversion, things of that nature, and this is the best outcome on this page right here that that was come up with. So, and if you have stuck around and you're still here listening, you will find out that I am offering live training. I will show you how to set up the website, even though it does come with video instruction. If you need help, I will be here for you to help you with anything you need. And I also offer live training with Healthy New Living. and helping you get your first 2 to 4 upgraded members. Because once you have 2 upgraded members in Healthy New Living, you qualify for a 50% matching bonus for all of your personally referred affiliates. Once you have 4 upgraded affiliates, you are eligible for 100% matching bonus on what all of your personally referred affiliates earn. You cannot beat this. You also get a 20% discount on products. When you upgrade, you can get up to a 40% discount on products. You also get 20% commissions on any products that you sell. And there are 2 fast start bonuses when you recruit affiliates that upgrade to that 2 members that upgrade to affiliate. So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to check it out further, grab that link in the description. Go sign up for free. You get a free lifetime membership with a 20% discount on products on the already low prices, which are wholesale. And then you get the additional 20% discount. So go check it out. And if this sounds like something for you, just get back to me. And we'll get you all set up. All right. So thanks for sticking around. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and all on the bell icon. So when I put out a video, you'll be notified. Thanks so much. Bye.